When taking a new exam, it's integral to choose the correct exam type. Let's click on New Exam, and I'm just going to choose X-ray sensor to get us into our layouts. To select a layout for your exam, simply double-click on any of the layouts displayed. But let's talk about the options on this page. At the top of the screen, you will see a couple options for filtering. You can filter layouts by modality, including intraoral X-ray, intraoral camera, pan or Ceph, and video. If you select camera, all layouts shown will contain orange placeholders, which indicate intraoral camera images. If you select video, the red placeholders represent video layouts. If you select intraoral X-ray, the blue placeholders represent intraoral X-ray layouts. You can also filter layouts by user. For example, selecting Esteban will show only layouts created by Esteban. Selecting Dustin will show layouts created by Dustin. Choosing All Users displays layouts created by everyone. Some layouts might include a heart icon, which indicates they are marked as favorites. Favorite layouts automatically appear at the top of the list for easier access. If you would like to create a new layout, click the New Layout button at the top. If you need to remove a layout, click the trash can icon. You will be prompted to confirm the deletion, and once confirmed, the layout will be removed. These tools make it easy to find, organize, and manage exam layouts efficiently in SOTA Cloud.